spotted snakes with double tongue, thorny hedgehog be not seen, for the meadows all round with melody.
Written in sound. And when I wake and know the world of toil, and hear the market stalls and market calls, I know the sun does rim its cup with soil, and marks are rutted deep before night falls. But hear I voice and tremor of your heart, and know I well above the din of day that there is higher beauty than the part we hammer and push wheel at in this play. The stars give ink by every beam. Their shine does write upon the skies the truth of you. That parchment, far too thin to bear so fine their words, gives sound, and we their tunes imbue. The orchestrate of music's nightly airs does daily din make worthy of we hear.